Hi everyone, this is Veera Srinivas Raneru. I have around 2 decades of experience in IT field, and I'm working as a senior technical architect, and in my current project I'm working as a senior tech lead. I involved in all the phases of SDLC, like gathering user requirements, designing, development, testing, implementation, and maintenance of the applications. And I worked in all the domains like telecommunication, banking, retail, and healthcare domains. Recently, I completed Gen AI and Agentic AI training from AllPro Trainings Center. And the training was conducted by Mr. Mohit, and it was very excellent training. I followed all the concepts thoroughly, and I implemented them in my implementing them in my current project, and it's very much helpful in building my career going forward. So I'm going to suggest all the new joinees to undergo this training and avail the benefits of Gen AI and Agentic AI in your projects. Thank you. Nice talking to you.